As promised, friends, here is how I make those fake little s'mores. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Buzzings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So we start with this Model Magic. It is like air dry foamy clay. I also have a sheet of cork. Now I'm using this little eraser thing I got from Dollar Tree. It was just easy because it was 2 inches square, and I'm just going to trace the square all the way across. I'm making 2 s'mores, so I'm going to do 4 squares of my cork. And I'm just using a rotary cutter to cut out my cork. You could use anything to cut it out, but there we go. Okay, then we're going to cut them all apart so we have 2-inch squares. And here's the thing, friends, don't get crazy pants about it. It doesn't have to be perfect. S'mores are not perfect. Some of you think they taste perfect, but okay. Anyways, here's that Model Magic I was telling you about. I get them at Dollar General. You can get them at Walmart, whatever. So then all I'm going to do is take the package and I'm just going to split it in half, okay? I'm going to roll it in my hands, and then I'm going to make it kind of like, well, make it look like a marshmallow kind of thing. So I just kind of like make it like a square, but rounded, if that makes any sense. So there we go, right? Then I'm going to take my, what's it called? Yeah, it takes a little, I have a tendency to be a little bit of a perfectionist. It's okay. So then I put it on our cork, right? And then we're going to squish it. I know. Isn't that fun? You don't have to squish it too much, or you could squish it even more. But then I take the cork off of it. You have to just kind of pry it up a little bit. And then I'm going to use some hot glue, and I just want to make sure that this stays put. It might dry and be fine, but I don't know. So I want to make sure. So I glued it on to the bottom, and now I have some fabric puffy paint. I got mine at Michael's. You can get it at Dollar Tree, wherever. And see how I'm just going around in circles. Perfect. And then we're going to tap it gently. You don't want it to go too crazy, but I want to encourage that fabric puffy paint to kind of travel down the side. Okay. And if you feel like, oh, it's not doing what I want, then just put more fabric puffy paint on it. And if it gets messy, that's okay too, because s'mores sometimes are messy. But see how I did that? Look how fun. Ah, so excited. I love it. All right. So once that's done, then, and no, none of it's dry yet. So there you go with that. So then I put some more hot glue on, and then we're going to put the top of our s'more, this is just another piece of cork, on top of that. You can squish it a little bit more if you wanted to, but are you kidding me? It looks just like a s'more. Now, this is a box we made the other day. If you didn't see that, go back and see on my playlist. We have it under the wooden section. And so then I just put a little hot glue on my box, and then I put the s'more on. And again, like I said, I did 2 of these. If I were to do it again, I would have tilted it better, but you could do it better. But look at how cute. And then after that, I actually added a couple pieces of, these are just bamboo skewers that I split in half, and I just kind of crisscrossed them to kind of look like your skewers that you would use to toast marshmallows. And look at how cute. And it says Pray S'more. So cute. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.